At exactly 0:45 in your last video, your RPM didn't drop, it was murdered. This is the retention graph of a Faceless AI channel that made $2,800 last month. This is yours. Both channels use the same AI tools. Both flatline at the exact same second. One variable created the cliff, the other turned it into a ramp. You've been told the problem is bad retention. The problem is a predictable universal death timestamp that you are actively engineering into every single video. The data knows why. Let's isolate the variable. 4 months in, you tried ChatGPT workflows, faceless channel automation, content farms. Total revenue $17. I know the words. I tried everything. Nothing works. Everyone says AI makes money, but I made $4. There must be something they're not showing. The standard advice says hook viewers in 5 seconds. That advice is the bottleneck. It creates the 0:45 crash. The faster you hook with a false promise of easy money, the faster their brain runs a prediction model. By 0:45, their pattern matching confirms the promise was a lie. They don't just click off, they train the algorithm that your content is unfulfilled expectation signals. The algorithm penalizes the shape of your retention curve. You optimize for the click, not the curve. The click is vanity. The curve is a mathematical signature of trust. Every video with a standard hook signals the platform to ignore your content after 45 seconds. This costs you a compounding revenue position. A convex retention curve with 1,000 views out-earns a concave cliff with 100,000 views. The ad server bids on predicted watch time and session extension. Your cliff signals session death. CPM drops. We've measured a 4.6x RPM difference between convex and cliff curves in the same niche. You bleed on a second invisible front. The ad system classifies your inventory as low attention, low intent. You become filler for bottom-tier remnant ads. You're not failing at making videos. You're failing as a signal engineer managing a content delivery auction. The system doesn't see effort. It only sees the shape of the line. Every second editing after 0:45 on your current script structure is negative ROI activity. You polish a product the economic engine of the platform has already discarded. The fix is not a better hook. It's structural re-engineering of the promise. The goal isn't to stop the drop at 0:45. It's to never create the expectation that causes it. You don't need excitement, you need specific painful mechanically true hooks. The algorithm ranks by alignment of stated promise with delivered resolution. We call this the hook to promise map. 3 actions. Action 1. Before writing a single script word, write 10 distinct hooks. Not 1, 10. Each a self-contained painful problem with a promised timestamp fix inside the video. Stop writing how to make money with AI. Start writing at 4:12. I'll show you the one line destroying your RPM. Action 2. Build the map on a single sheet. Left side the exact second you claim. Right side the exact second you deliver. No vague later in the video. A closed loop between 0:07 and 4:12. Action 3. Remove all fluff between hook and promise. The retention curve becomes convex. It slopes upward as viewers skip backward to rewatch the setup once they see the payoff. Session time extends, RPM rises. The bidding system reclassifies your channel from high risk to premium long session inventory. At Bottleneck Labs, I use vidIQ to run these autopsies. It reveals the shape of the wound, link below. This mechanism produces an unexpected second-order effect. Once your curve becomes convex, the algorithm retroactively boosts all dead content. The new convex signal raises the trust score of your entire channel library. Videos from months ago get a second wave of impressions. You are not just fixing one video, you apply a defibrillator to your entire catalog. Channel A had worse scripts, worse voiceover, 0 editing. AI voice like broken glass. Channel B had perfect production, custom graphics, pro format. Channel A used the hook to promise map. Result, convex curve, 3.2% click out at 0:45. Stabilized RPM of $31.60. Channel B stuck with false promise hooks, flatlined at 0:45, RPM 170. Monthly difference. Channel A made $2,100. Channel B made $72. The bottleneck was never production quality. It was expectation alignment. The worst channel followed one rule. Every promise in the first 8 seconds was satisfied by the 60-second mark. At 30 days, the shift is subtle. Average view duration moves from 0:42 to 10. At 60 days, the convex shape locks in. The system re-indexes your RPM tier. By 90 days, old videos get new impressions, creating a compounding revenue base that doesn't decay. Your new behavior: stop using ChatGPT for full scripts. Use it to generate 10 testable hooks for A/B testing. Start with your next video. You fixed the 0.45 cliff. Next, we isolate the RPM bottleneck inside that convex curve. Keeping viewers is one variable, turning them into a $35 RPM is a completely different system. You are not a video creator failing at views. You are a signal engineer who was given the wrong blueprint. Your job isn't making videos, it's shaping curves. That reframe changes everything from this second forward. You engineer convex retention curves. The algorithm has no choice but to reward. System breakdown: isolate, fix, scale.